your daddy on Father's Day. Hello everyone, are you still looking for something to give for your daddy on Father's Day? Well, I got good news. I'm going to show you how to make one of these cards, or your card that you want to make, that you want to do. First, you will need 2 colored pieces of paper. You will need some scissors. You will need some sellotape. And this just in case you wanted to stick it. And you have to have marker pens. So, now you need to close your card. And then make sure it's halfway. It's half. It's fair. And then you open your card up. Then get your scissors. Remember, scissors can be sharp, so you can ask your grown-up to do it. And then you make a small cut down the center. Now, exactly the same towards the center. And then exactly the same on the other side. Now, you close your card up. And then fold the 2 ends and make it into a collar. And there we go. I already cut it out a bow tie, and then I'm going to slide it inside here for a reason. There we go. Now we need to do some buttons. And then I'm going to do a pouch. So, and another marker pen. And then, there we go. A nice lovely card ready for your daddy on Father's Day. I hope you make one at your house. It will be so nice and sweet. But all you just need to do is add a sweet message inside. Bye bye. I hope you enjoyed it. You could even make it at your own house. What do you think? If you want to make one of these cards or a different one? That's good. I can hear you. So you're going to have a really fabulous card ready for your to give to someone special. Bye. Au revoir.